Hi guys, so today I'm going to make yellow fin tuna, but I'm going to make a Sri Lankan dish today. It's called Ambul Thiyal, and it's very tasty, and this is one of my favorites. And I may try to make it, but let's see. So if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So these fish, they come vacuum bagged and in pieces, and they don't have bones or anything, which I really hate. I don't really like fish with bones. So these are nice fillets that either you can do whatever with, like just cook or whatever. And today I'm going to make this nice dish, which is actually one of my favorite dishes to make and to eat actually when my mom makes it. However, I'm gonna try my best to make it the same way, and of course I asked her how to make it, and let's see. So I have cooked this before, so I know it comes out to be a decent dish when I cook it as well. However, so I'm going to cut it into pieces, and then I'm gonna leave it aside. So there are so many pieces that comes vacuum bagged in this. I got this from Costco. So as you know, when you buy something from Costco, there's a lot that comes in one package. So I'm just gonna put it into this dish or the bowl, and then make the paste after. So it's a lot of fish, so when you cut all of them, which I'm going to, it comes up to be this much, which is a lot of fish. And then I'm going to cut some garlic into pieces, and then I'm going to chop it up and I'm going to put it into the fish, and also curry leaves and cinnamon, and some spices as well. So I'm going to put all that and into the fish first. So I hope you enjoy this video, by the way, and if you want to connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, all that information is in the description box below for you. So I really don't like that top part of the garlic, so I'm going to cut it off. By the way, as I always say, I'm not a professional chef, so this is just me cooking whatever around the house, or like whatever I like just to eat for the week. And when I cook, if I really like the dish and if I think it tastes good, I share it with you guys. So if you are Sri Lankan and if I didn't do something or if I missed something, let me know in the comments below. This is a Sri Lankan dish, and it's very, very tasty, and if you haven't tried it, please do try it. Since I was small, this has been a favorite dish of mine, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. And obviously it's not going to be as good as my mom's, but well, I can eat it, so I hope you make it and can eat it as well. It is a spicy dish, by the way, so if you like spicy, you can use a lot of spices like chili powder, obviously, but if you don't like spicy food, you can reduce that amount of chili powder. So this is the garlic. So I'm going to use this pan. This is my favorite pan. You will see that often if you're watching my other videos as well, because I use this almost all the time. And so this is the cubes that I have of the fish. Very beautiful fish because it does not have bones, and it's I think around 20 bucks in Costco, the whole packet, and it comes with a lot of fish, as you can see. So, and then I'm going to put this garlic into it, and this is a cinnamon stick. This is also from Sri Lanka, grown and imported. Well, I brought it to here because one of my uncles gave it to me, and this is also from Sri Lanka. This is I don't know how to call it in English. Let me just go back and check. Well, it says gamboj cream. This is what people eat to become thin. I guess there are tablets that's made out of this because it helps you reduce fat. And I put a lot in here, not to reduce fat, by the way. I just you just have to make a cream out of this and then put it into the fish when you're making this dish. And this is Goraka paste in Sinhala because well, that is the Sinhala word for it. It's Goraka. I'm going to put some salt and also some chili powder, that much, so 2 tablespoons worth, and salt to taste. So don't put a lot at the beginning. You can always test and add salt when you're cooking as well. And this is turmeric. In Sri Lanka, when you cook, you use a lot of turmeric, and turmeric is actually really good for you. So I recommend using it whenever you cook curry. And this is curry powder. And then this is curry leaves, which I'm going to add to the fish, not to the paste that I'm making, to the pan right away. And also, I'm going to leave it aside first. And then for the other bowl with all this stuff, I'm going to mix it and then add a little bit of water at a time. So I'm going to add little by little just to make a paste. I don't want to add a lot of water in the get-go because I want to mix it and then add a little. Well, the spoon fell, but it's okay. I picked it up fast, so it's not dirty. So don't worry. And I'm just going to make the paste now. As you can see, I'm adding little bit of water at time, so I know the consistency that I want, and then I'm gonna make that cream before I put it into the fish. And you can always make this and then test for salt, like I said before you add it into the fish, because fish is not yet cooked and you cannot taste it. Well, I cannot taste raw fish and then this. It's not very, like, I don't want to do it. So do it now, taste it now, and see how you like it. So I'm gonna mix it like this and maybe add a little bit of water before I put it all into the fish pan. So you see how easy it is. So Gamboj cream, either you can get this cream. Well, I got it from Sri Lanka. I know they have in Canada, they have these in the Sri Lankan stores that you can buy. However, if you don't have this, you can buy the actual pieces of it and chop it up, blend it, and make this cream yourself. And that's what makes this dish the way it is, that cream. So because it has this really nice taste to it, it's tangy, it's sour, it's really, really, really tasty. So now I'm gonna put all that onto here. All goes in, and then I might add a little bit of water as well because it's a very thick paste right now. And I'm going to cover all the fish with it as well, and put it in on the stove and let it cook and simmer for a while, because the gravy that you're getting, you don't want a lot of gravy. You want all this stuff coated. The fish should be coated with this paste, and you should let it simmer so that the paste essence goes inside the fish, and you have to try it. I can't say it enough how tasty this is. This you can eat it with rice, and I'm going to show you, as you see in the first like the photo that you saw when you're looking at this video, you can eat it with pol sambal. That's coconut sambal. That is also a Sri Lankan dish. So I'm going to put this on the stove now. I'm going to put it at a little higher than medium at the beginning, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for a bit. So that's it actually, and once it's cooked you can eat it with rice and a salad, and also maybe pumpkin curry as well, which is very tasty. Like if you cook this and then eat it with pumpkin curry. So there you go. I'm gonna simmer it a little bit with low heat, and this is how it looks like. I know it doesn't look the greatest because it is mostly black, and you don't eat a lot of black food, I guess, but it tastes so good. You just have to try it, and I hope you do. And if you do, let me know what you think by commenting below. And don't forget to check out these next videos. I do have a playlist for food, the food that I like to make, and you can check those out as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. At least I try to do a video at least once a week. So I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comments below and what you want to see next if you want me to draw something as well. So then, bye.